Good morning, dear. Today we will talk about dividing fractions. Find the reciprocal of each of the following. The reciprocal of the fraction n over d is d over n. N means numerator, d means denominator. So to find the reciprocal of any fraction, we will flip the fraction. Letter A, 3 over 5. So its reciprocal is 5 over 3. Just flip the fraction. Letter B, 2 over 7. Its reciprocal is 7 over 2. Letter C, 1 over 4. Its reciprocal is 4 over 1. Can we leave the answer in this form? No, we have to write it in the simplest form. So 4 over 1 equals 4. Letter D, 9. Here 9 is a whole number. How can we find the reciprocal of any whole number? First, we have to convert this whole number into fraction, numerator and denominator. So it will be 9 over 1. Now, 9 over 1, its reciprocal is 1 over 9. So the reciprocal of 9 is 1 over 9. Now, 2 and a half. Here, 2 and a half is a mixed number. How can we get the reciprocal of any mixed number? First, we have to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. How can we do this? We will make by plus. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So it will be 5 over 2 as a fraction. Now, can we get the reciprocal? Yes. So its reciprocal is 2 over 5. So the reciprocal of 2 and a half is 2 over 5. So again, to find the reciprocal of any mixed number, we have to convert it first into improper fraction using by plus. And now we have a very important note. Here, any number times its reciprocal is 1. Let's multiply the following here. Letter A, 3 over 5 times 5 over 3. Here we have multiplying fractions, so we have to simplify first. Let's check the first fraction, 3 over 5. Can we simplify 3 and 5? No, we can't, because they are not in the same table. In the second fraction, 5 over 3. Can we make simplifying here? No, 5 and 3, they are not in the same table. Now, let's make scissors. 3 and 3. Can we make simplify? Yes, it will be divided 3 divided 3. 3 divided 3 equals 1. And 3 divided 3 equals 1. Now, 5 and 5. So we will make divided 5 divided 5. It will be 1. So now, up by up, down by down. 1 times 1 over 1 times 1. Here equals 1. So, 3 over 5, its reciprocal is 5 over 3. So, here is the number times its reciprocal equals 1. So any number times its reciprocal will be 1. Letter B, 2 over 7 times 7 over 2. 2 over 7 is a fraction. 7 over 2, its reciprocal. And as we said before, any number times its reciprocal equals 1. In letter C, 1 over 4 times 4 over 1. Here, 1 over 4 and its reciprocal 4 over 1. So the answer will be 1. Any number multiply its reciprocal equals 1. In letter D, 9 times 1 over 9. Here 9 is a whole number, so we have to put over 1. So 9 over 1 times 1 over 9. Here the reciprocal of 9 equals 1. Here, remember, the answer must be in the simplest form. Dividing fractions. Number 1, divide and write the answer in the simplest form. Letter A, 24 divided 8 over 9. And here our steps to make dividing fractions. Step number 1, keep. Keep what? Keep the first fraction. Here in the first place we have 24. And 24 is not a fraction, it's a whole number. So we have to convert it into fraction first. How can we do this? We will make it over 1. So 24 is a whole number. When we convert it into a fraction, will be 24 over 1. So we will keep the fraction as it is. Then switch the sign. Divided will be multiply. So here we have divided, we will convert it into multiply. And now find the reciprocal of the second fraction. Our second fraction here is 8 over 9. When we flip it, we will find the reciprocal. So it will be 9 over 8. So 24 times 9 over 8. Here we have multiplying fractions like the last session. We will use simplifying first. Let's check the first fraction, 24 and over 1. Can we make simplifying here? No. Let's check the second fraction, 9 over 8. Can we make simplifying here? No, we can't. Now let's make scissors. Here, 8 and 24. Yes, both of them are in table 8, so we will make divided 8 divided 8. And now 24 divided 8 equals 3. 8 divided 8 equals 1. Now let's check 1 and 9. Can we make divided? No, we can't. So the second step, up times up, down times down. 3 by 9 over 1 by 1. 3 times 9 equals 27. 1 times 1 equals 1. Here we have to find the answer in the simplest form. So 27 over 1 as a whole number equals 27. Letter B, 9 over 5 divided by 45. Our steps, keep, switch, reciprocal. The first fraction, 9 over 5. So we have to keep it, 9 over 5. Instead of divided, we will write multiply. 45 here is a whole number, which means 45 over 1 as a fraction. So its reciprocal is 1 over 45. Now we have multiply. 9 over 5 times 1 over 45. Let's check simplifying first. 9 and 5. Can we make simplify? No. 1 and 45. Can we simplify? No. So let's make scissors. 45 and 9. Yes, we can. Divided 9 divided 9. So 9 divided 9 equals 1. 45 divided 9 equals 5. Now 5 and 1. Can we make simplifying here? No, we can't. So let's make up times up, down times down. 1 times 1 over 5 times 5. 1 by 1 equals 1. 5 by 5 equals 25. Here, ask myself, is the answer in the simplest form? Yes, because 1 and 25, they are not in the same table. So the final answer will be 1 over 25. In letter C, 19 divided by 19 over 3. 19 here is a whole number, and our lesson is called dividing fractions. So we can't deal with a whole number. So we have to convert this whole number into a fraction. As we said before, any whole number to be a fraction, we will put over 1. So now we have two fractions, 19 over 1 divided 19 over 3. So now let's start our steps. Keep the first fraction, 19 over 1. Switch the sign, divided will be multiply. Then reciprocal of the second fraction. So 19 over 3 will be 3 over 19. Now we have 19 over 1 times 3 over 19. Let's start our steps of multiplying fractions. Here, let's start. Simplify 19 and 1. Can we simplify 19 and 1? No, we can't, because they are not in the same table. Let's check the second fraction. 3 and 19. Can we simplify 3 and 19? No, we can't. They are not in the same table. Let's make scissors. 1 and 3. Can we simplify 1 and 3? No, we can't. They are not in the same table. Here, 19 and 19. Yes, when we have the same number, make it divided itself. So, divided 19, divided 19. 19 divided 19 equals 1, up and down. Now, let's make up times up, down times down. So 1 multiply 3 over 1 multiply 1. So it will be 1 by 3 equals 3. 1 by 1 equals 1. Can we leave the answer in this form? No, we have to write it as a whole number in the simplest form. So 3 over 1 equals 3. Now in letter D, 1 over 3 divided 6 over 5. Here we have two fractions. So can we make our steps now? Yes, we can. Here, keep the first fraction as it is, 1 over 3. Switch the divided, it will be multiply. Reciprocal of 6 over 5, it will be 5 over 6. Now, let's check. Can we make simplifying here? 1 over 3? No. 6 and 5, can we simplify it? No. Let's make scissors. 3 and 5, can we simplify it? No, we can't. 6 and 1, can we make simplifying here? No, we can't. So we will make up by up, down by down. So 1 times 5 over 3 times 6. 1 times 5 equals 5. 3 times 6 equals 18. Here, our answer 5 over 18. Can we leave the answer in this form? Yes, we can, because this is the simplest form. There is no table contains 5 and 18. Letter E, 21 over 24 divided 7 over 3. Here we have two fractions. So let's start our steps. Keep, switch, reciprocal. Keep the first fraction as it is, 21 over 24. Switch the sign, divided will be multiply. Find the reciprocal of the second fraction. 7 over 3 will be 3 over 7. Now we have 21 over 24 times 3 over 7. Let's start. Can we simplify here? Yes, we have 7 and 21 divided 7 divided 7. 21 divided 7 and 7 divided 7. 21 divided 7 equals 3. 7 divided 7 equals 1. And 3 and 24. Can we make divided? Yes, divided. 3 divided 3. 24 divided 3 equals 8. And 3 divided 3 equals 1. Now, do we finish simplifying? Yes. So we make up times up, down times down. 3 times 1 over 8 times 1. 3 by 1 equals 3. 8 by 1 equals 8. 3 and 8, they are not in the common table. There is no table contains 3 and 8. So here is our answer in the simplest form.